How to fix Acer monitor not turning on. So if you're facing a problem with the Acer monitor not turning on, then here are some fixes. Number one is to check the power source and cable before jumping to conclusions. Make sure the power cable is securely connected to both the monitor and the outlet. Use a different power outlet to rule out any problems with the current one. If you've been using a surge protector or an extension cord, try plugging the monitor directly into a wall socket. Sometimes power issues can be due to the faulty cables or power strips. Number two is reset the monitor settings. If the monitor is receiving power but still not turning on, then try resetting it to factory settings. This can be done by pressing the power button for at least 30 seconds while the monitor is unplugged from the power source. After the reset, plug the monitor back in and see if it turns on. This process can clear any internal glitches or misconfigurations. Now, the number three is test a different video output source. Your monitor may not be at fault. It could be the computer or device you're using. Connect to the Acer monitor to a different device like a laptop or another PC and see if it works. You can also try different ports like HDMI DisplayPort, VGA if your monitor and devices support them. This can help you determine whether the issue lies with the monitor or the device's videos output. Now, number four is to check for overheating or faulty internal components. Over time, dust can accumulate inside your monitor, potentially causing it to overheat or short circuit. If your Acer monitor feels unusually warm, let it cool down for a few hours. If possible, disassemble the monitor and clean out any dust. Now, the number five is about the update. You can update or reinstall your graphics drivers, which are outdated, or corrupt graphic drivers can sometimes prevent the monitor from receiving a signal. So, connect your monitor to a device that works with another screen, then update or reinstall the display drivers. This could restore the connection between the computer and the monitor. If the problem still persists, then it might be because of the internal hardware issue, in which case, contact your Acer customer support or take the monitor to a professional technician. So that's how you can fix your Acer monitor not turning on. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.